OPPO Reno8 5G, the perfect companion for gamers and multitaskers. OPPO is a renowned brand in the smartphone industry that has consistently produced high-quality devices with advanced features. The OPPO Reno series is one of the company's most successful lineups, known for its impressive camera technology, sleek design, and excellent performance. OPPO launched its latest addition to the Reno series, the Reno8 5G, on February 2023 in India. OPPO Reno8 5G promises to deliver an exceptional experience to smartphone enthusiasts. Performance. The Reno8 is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G SoC, 8GB RAM, and 128GB. 256GB storage, and the capacity can be increased up to 1TB with a microSD card. The OPPO Reno8 5G operates on ColorOS 13, which is based on Android 13, offering a wide range of customization options for a personalized experience. The device comes with an always-on display that functions effectively, and features such as automatic removal of clipboard activity after a brief interval, private safe, and more enhance its privacy aspect. Because of the high-performing processor, the phone will perform without any signs of lagging or hanging. Additionally, the OPPO Reno8 provides 5G connectivity, as well as Face ID and a fingerprint sensor. During the use of the phone, no users encountered any issues with either the Face ID or fingerprint sensor, both of which functioned flawlessly. Design. The first look will impress you with the design, as it has the appearance of a high-end luxury device. Weighing only 171 grams and measuring 7.7 millimeters thin, this phone is so lightweight, giving you effortless carrying. The sleek and stylish look of this phone is enhanced by its curved edges, and the unobstructed experience is guaranteed by the punch-hole notch and slim bezel. The rear side of the phone has a camera module that is slightly raised, housing the much-hyped 108-megapixel primary camera and other camera sensors. A glowing strip encircles the camera module, complementing the surface color. OPPO states that the back of the phone is made up of millions of pyramid-shaped crystals that are etched at a microscopic level, and the surface is also said to be fingerprint-proof. You can choose from two colors, sunrise gold and midnight black. Display. Featuring a 6.7-inch curved Dragon Trail Star 2 AMOLED panel with FHD Plus resolution, a 93% screen-to-body ratio, and support for 16.7 million colors, the OPPO Reno8 5G offers a stunning visual experience. With a 10-bit cooler depth, the phone is capable of rendering an impressive 1 billion colors. Even to the amateur user, the display is undeniably vibrant. Users can opt for their preferred display mode, choosing between vivid and natural options available in the phone's settings. The phone's display is a standout feature, offering clear visibility even under bright sunlight. Cameras. Equipped with a triple camera setup at the back, the OPPO Reno8 5G offers a 108 megapixels main camera, a 2 megapixels depth camera, and a 34mm 2 megapixels microscope camera. The camera app is user-friendly and straightforward, with no complicated features. The phone offers a range of modes, including night, portrait, video, photo pro, extra HD, slow-mo, panorama, dual-view video, and more. Additionally, the phone has a 32-megapixel selfie camera featuring f/204 aperture and 22mm lens. The double-view video recording feature, which enables users to capture themselves and others simultaneously, is a great feature. Speakers. The phone's speakers add to the immersive experience of watching films and art shows, delivering impressive sound quality. OPPO's claimed that the Reno8 offers an unparalleled audiovisual experience, as the speakers are equipped with real original sound technology and provide surround sound for all types of media. You will experience some of the best stereo speakers you have seen in this price range. The audio is clear, loud, and impressive, making it a joy to listen to music, and you may even find yourself dancing to some upbeat songs while cooking dinner. Battery. Equipped with a 4,800 mAh battery, the Reno 8T can charge at an incredibly rapid pace with its 67-wired charger. With the included charger, the phone charged from 0 to 100% in just about 30 minutes. With moderate usage, the battery will last for more than 36 hours without engaging in any gaming or streaming of OTT content during this period.